Hello and welcome to this GTEFL Masterclass. My name is Neil Harris and I've chosen as the title for today's session, Horses, Fish and Why They Matter in English Language Teaching, Facilitating Learner Autonomy in the Age of Generative Artificial Intelligence. Now, you might of course be wondering, why on earth have I chosen to talk about fish and horses? Well, there is a good reason for that, and it'll be explained in the masterclass. But what we're really looking at this afternoon in the session is why learner autonomy, the independence of the learner, is so important if that learner is going to be successful in their journey to learning English to a high standard. Yes, we'll be looking at generative AI and how that can help in the process. But what we really want to focus on is not what happens necessarily in the classroom, but how we enable our learners to be successful language learners when they leave the classroom. In other words, in their own free time. Do watch and find out how. And of course, find out about those fishes and horses as well.